Welcome to my unboxing video today, where I open up the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle 4 collaboration.
MB.04 collaboration.
MB.04 collaboration.
Okay, let's take a look at the box first. Show us the box. Ooh, the box is tight. Nice. Cool box. Look at all the characters on the side. Look at the side. See all the characters?
Oh, I didn't see this.
Yeah. You got Leonardo, Donatello, Raphael, Michelangelo. You see the other side of the box. It says not from here. And then right here it has the Mellow logo and the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles logo and the Puma cat. All right, so let's take a look. Yep, you got the Mellow Turtles
The
logo.
one.
That's 4. How many? That's a 1, 2, 3, 4. Mellow 4. All right, let's open it up. Let's take a look at those bad boys. Let's see what they look like.
They got Leonardo, Michelangelo.
It's not Leonardo, Michelangelo. Look at the colors and you'll see. This is the registration card. All right, so who is it? Which characters is it? Who's the purple one? Donatello. Okay, so let's look at Donatello pair. Give me a 360. Give me 360. Woo! Woo! Woo!
I ain't sleeping.
Ooh, then look at the back. Look, at the back it has his weapon. Look, on the back it has the stick. So Donatello uses the stick.
Where?
See, that thing right there, that's the stick. So in the back of each one it has his weapon, the weapon that they use. And you know, Donatello was a smart one. He's one of the brains. All right, let's take a look.
So what did he use to use the brain?
He's the one who's good like with technology and computers. Look, Donatello's face, you see it? And then it has the D, look, D for Donatello there. And look at the purple. And then it has the brown inside for like a shell.
Not from here.
Yep.
Not from here.
Not from here. Okay.
Look at the color like mixing it up.
Yep.
With Donatello.
All right, so let's take a look. Oh, there's another important part they got to see. Right here is the bandana. You see the bandana right there? His purple bandana. It looks like a flame strip. All right, let's take a look at the other one. And which one is this one?
Raphael.
Yep, you see? You know, R for Raphael. And then he has his eyes. And then his weapons on the back. And see, he has the 2 small swords. Look at that. I forgot what you call them. There's a word for them. I can't remember what they're called.
I think I know. It's called,
I just think he's doing that.
It's called...
All right, come on, give me a 360.
Rock-tail
Give me a
sword.
360.
It's called Rock-tail sword.
Okay, so Raphael, as you all know, if you know about Ninja Turtles, Raphael is the one with the red bandana.
From here.
Oh, let's look at the bottom. We didn't even show them the bottom. Look at that. Not from here. See the spaceship right there?
I've been seeing that.
Yep.
I saw it before you. Let's see what's the bottom.
Give me a 360. Yeah, it has the same thing.
No, it
Spaceship.
don't. No, it don't.
Yes, it is.
No, it don't.
So on the side, same thing.
Bandana.
Yep. Red bandana. Then on the tongue, same
Not
thing.
from
R
here.
for Raphael. And then
Not
Raphael's
from here.
bandana on us. Woo! All right. Are these the best mellows to drop? Are these your favorite mellows?
Yes.
Are these the best mellows?
Yes.
Okay.
I was about to cry.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? 2 thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
All right, put them both together so everyone can see what they look like together. Boom. So it's a mismatch. This is the Donatello, Raphael pair. Shouts out to Puma Hoops. Now we're just waiting on the Michelangelo and Leonardo. 2, 3, go.
Oh, let's do this.
What? No, not yet. 2, 3, go.
Everyone, thank you for checking my video. Bye.